Want to create complex DAX measures in seconds instead of hours? Watch this. I'm going to use Claude and the Power BI MCP Server to auto-generate a year-over-year sales calculation in just 90 seconds. Now I'll ask Claude to create a year-over-year sales growth measure. Watch what happens. Claude connects to Power BI through the MCP server, reads my data model, and generates the complete DAX code. Look at this. It automatically used the right table name, created the time intelligence calculation, and even formatted it as a percentage. I'm Jules Martin, and if you haven't set up the Power BI MCP server yet, check the link in the description. It takes 3 minutes. Let's jump in. To validate the results of the year-over-year growth percentage for 2012 and 2013, we are going to create a table and line and stack chart visual. We can see that the DAX code was created for us, and now we just have to drag and drop the measure into the fields. Based on the visuals, we can see that for 2012, the year-over-year sales growth percentage was 15.96% and 3.33% for 2013. If this saved you time, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered Power BI tutorials. Drop a comment telling me what DAX measure you want me to create next. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button and check out my other videos. See you next time.